each and every project must have the project cost graphs. For you as a project manager, you must make your graph. You must be known about what is planned, what is the actual, and what is the earned value. Let's explain now what are those factors which I just mentioned: the earned value, the actual, and the plan. And let's hit it here on the whiteboard. So we said we have a graph. A graph always starts with two important factors. First factor is the cost. Second factor is the time. And because this is the cost of the overall contract, so this is the cumulative cost. And this is the overall time of the contract. Okay, now the contract where you got the signed contract and you have the value of the contract. You have the scope, you have the time, and you have the cost. The three important factors, three constraints of the project. You are explaining it over here. The cost is here, the time is over here, and here you will explain the cost, the behavior of the scope. Okay, so I have a time of the contract, and let me say that I have 1 year. 1 year. So my contract is finishing within 1 year. And I have a contract which is 1 million. $1 million US. So my point meets over here. My total contract value and my time. Okay. Today I have explained the cost overall of the project, and I'm estimating that from this 1 million US, I am creating 200,000 as a profit, and I have the cost estimated for the project is 800. So let me just draw the 800 line. 800,000 US, and it hits over here. My cumulative cost, which I plan, I have planned values for each period. So if I have the period, if I'm saying I am reporting every month, so I have here month 1, month 2, month 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to month 12. So if I draw this here, I hope it will be enough. 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, good. For each period, for each month, I have planned value to be taken during this project. So in month 1, I plan, let's draw it over here and make lines so it will be clear for you. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. In total, my planned value must be 800,000 US dollars. So simply this is the plan, and I am checking from my project schedule, and according to the tasks, the task cost estimation, which we explained already, I am filling, and I have every period estimated cost. So the cost plan over here, if I say this is 50, this is 50, this is 100, okay, so here I have cumulative, I have 50, here I have 100, because 50 plus 50 is 100, 100 plus 100 is 200, this is 300, this is 400, also all in thousands, 400, okay, so if I will say here is 50, so it is 450, also 50, if this is only estimated value, 500, 600, this is 100 also, so this is 700, this is 20, so 720, this is also, let's say 20, 740, and here should be 800, so I will check it to be as 60, so it is 800k. Okay, planned values as per the period, this is estimated values, and this is the overall. So we estimated the values during the period, and also we put the accumulation planned value, the accumulation in each period. So now let's reflect it in this chart. It's easy. Reflect it in each period. So first period you have 50, so if I will make here 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700 and 800 over here. So if I will say, okay, in the first period I have 50, so I am over here. In second period I have 100, okay, I am over here. And third one I have 200, so I am almost here. 300 in number 4, so it's almost here. 400 in number 5, it's here. 450 number 6, it's something around here. 500 in number 7, so it's somewhere here. 600 in number 8, number 9, 700, number 10, 720, number 11, 740, and number 12, 800. So simply do the connection and you will get the S-curve. This is the S-curve. And this is the S-curve of the planned value, because this is the accumulation of the planned value. Those are the figures where we estimated each and individual one from the project schedule, each task, where it was planned, and when you take the sum of each period, you will see the tasks planned and the cost planned. So the cost planned over here, and the accumulation is here. You applied it and you get the planned value. So once you have the planned value, you are saying, I am estimating that my project will behaving in this way. I will finish in 1 year and my cost will be 800,000. So this is the budget at completion. At completion, the budget. Okay? Now, we said that we have the management reserve as well. So the management reserve will be taken above the budget at completion, and the management reserve is somewhere over here. This is, let's say, 50,000. So this is 850,000 if this is the 50,000 management reserve. Okay? And definitely if this is the management reserve, so the profit, because this is the contract value, so the profit is planned between P1 and P2. Profit plan equal in a range of P1 and P2, because you always have some unknown risks occurred, so you could take all the management reserve according to the approval from the management, or you can take you could not take anything, or you could take more than the management reserve. Okay, so now when you have everything set in this way, this is the beginning of the project. Means you have the schedule baseline, you have first the cost or the scope baseline. Once you set the scope, you are having the schedule baseline. Once you have scheduled everything, you know the cost, and the cost is in each period is according to the cost baseline. So three important baselines: scope baseline, schedule baseline, and cost baseline. Once you have those, you are ready to go. You prepare your sheet. This sheet we will make it in practical way in another episode as a workshop episode. And we will create this sheet and will be very clear to you how you can use it in the practical way. Okay. Here is the table, and let's start filling the table. If we say that today we are starting the project, and today we are in month number 4, and I already started with my project, and my project is taking me money more than what I am estimating. Means that I have the actual cost more than the planned value. This is the actual cost. And because the actual cost is taking me more, I have a value called earned value. The earned value is the actual work performed. That means the earned value is the planned value times the actual work performed. The earned value means the percentage times the planned value. And this earned value is somewhere, according to my project, if the cost is more than the planned value, the earned value is less, because I'm not earning what I am planned. I am earning actually less because I am paying more. I'm paying more, so I'm getting less. In other episodes where we will go through the earned value management, we will discuss and we will clarify the formulas of the planned value, earned value, actual cost, budget at completion, variance, and others. Those are the mathematics of the project management. So every project manager should know about this so he can manage the graph very well. Right, so let's go back to the earned value. The earned value graph is over here. And now I am here and I have to see my forecast. And my forecast is the remaining work and the remaining cost and the remaining time. So let's work on the forecast because you are here and you want to see your completion. Your management is telling you what is your progress, and you should tell them today, as of today, the project is behaving in this way. My budget at completion, my estimation to complete is that way. What shall I do? I will do these actions and techniques. We will come to this, but let's us first explain the details here. So later when we will talk about the actions, you will know everything, because this is a whiteboard project management. We are clarifying it everything in practical way. Okay, my actual cost is here, and because the scope, the value or the weight of the scope is the length of this curve, and the area below this curve is the area of the work to be performed. Means if I am increasing my cost, I could end up with being over or below the schedule. Let's talk first about here. Today, we have said that we are having the actual cost here and the earned value is here. So the difference, actually, I am losing something, and this difference called the cost variance. This is the cost variance of the project. While over here, from the plant, I am losing a value, and this called as a schedule variance. The cost variance is the actual cost minus the earned value, while the schedule variance is the planned value minus the earned value. We will come to details in next episodes. Okay, we explained now the cost variance, the schedule variance. Let's go to the forecast. The forecast. If my project, I am checking that my project will complete somewhere over here, and let's check it. Let's make it in different way so you will see all the things together. And my project will complete somewhere here. So if I will see that my project will finish somewhere around 1,200,000 estimation now, and I am finishing over here where I am in month 15. So this period is over schedule. Means I am over schedule 15 minus 12. Three months. I am delaying 3 months, and the budget at completion is here. I'm taking all my management reserve. I am going to have this profit value. I'm increasing the profit value over it. So I am actually completed with 1,200,000. That means I am losing. I am over budget, over cost, and over schedule. This is the bad type of the project management. The project behavior here is wrong. You need to do something to return back in schedule and in cost. Why I explain it in this way? Because I need to tell you here that this is the cost variance, and this is the cost overrun. It's the cost behind the contract value. Means you are start investing from your own money, from your own, and you are losing here, but you have commitment for the project to complete the project, and you have to do it. So this is the variance, cost variance, or we call it also variance at completion, VAC. The variance at completion need to be checked all the time. Now, this dotted line is the estimate to complete, and this is estimate at completion. Save those shortcuts for you for the next episodes. We will explain it. You are here today. You see, you will calculate your estimate to complete. This we will come in next episodes. You will make the estimate of to complete. You will check this value. Then you will get the estimate at completion. Once you get the estimate at completion, you will see your variance at completion. You know your budget at completion from the beginning of the project. You know the variance of completion. And now you are saying, okay, I am over today. If I am here, if I'm keep going in the same progress, I know that at the end of the project, I'm going to finish over schedule and over the contract value. So I'm doing something wrong, and today I have to do something very quick to return back to be in schedule, in the planned value, and make the smooth grow of the planned value correctly. Another thing for the planned value, which is important for you as a project manager, you have the planned value for each period. Once the cost baseline is approved, the cost is approved and you have the cost baseline, means you are reporting to your management, I need this amount of money to be prepared. The money which will need to be prepared, the company will start looking for this money. In some projects, this could not be easy. This could not be within 1 million. This could be a project with 500 million or more. This could be a project with few thousand of dollars. So it could be a huge contract or small contract. So if we consider this is a huge contract, the company should look for the funds. The fund could come from the own money or from other branches or from some investors. One type of investors could be the banks, and the bank they need some interest, definitely. So you are planning, and when you are here today, you are actually requested from the company and you are telling, okay, today I need 100,000 and for the next month, prepare to me another 100,000. So the company will prepare in their cash flow the 100,000 to be ready. They check and they make the money available for you for this project. Now, you have two options. If you take more than 100,000, you don't have the money. You will be facing problems with paying your invoices to your suppliers. and you will be in trouble step by step, because the company will tell you, you asked for 100 and we prepared for you 100, but now you are taking from us 200. That is wrong. Another way, if you are less and you are saying, I'm planned today as a 100,000, your company prepares to you with a 100,000. They take the loan from the bank and they pay interest for it. And you are saying, sorry, I was overestimated and I need only 50,000. Man, you need to explain this, because there are some losses of the profit. So the estimation should be, as I said, the estimation should be baselined. The cost should be baselined and approved. Then you can work on it. Once you see that the cost is more than the estimation, means I am here and I'm reporting my progress. I'm saying, look, for the next month, it was planned 100,000, but I am estimating that my cost will be for the next month will be 120,000. So the 20,000, additional 20,000, you as a project manager, you must submit your internal change request and get it approved to get those 20,000, additional 20,000 from the budget, overall budget, back to you. So here is the thing that you need to really consider: your money to be prepared, especially for the big projects, especially for those projects which are EPC large projects, and we are talking about millions in euros or US dollars per period, means per month or per quarter or per week, depends on your plan of progressing in your project management plan. So I am here today. I estimated now my budget at completion, and I need to drop my actual cost to be back in line and somewhere to be less, so I can smoothly cover what I lost in this period. This is the simple graph which you as a project manager, you must do it. There are special tools for this in project management, but you can do it in simple Excel table where you will just monitor the main cost and the main progress of your project. In the next episode, I will go through this table in simple Excel sheet. We will make it together. We will estimate some values, and you will see yourself how this is very easy to make. You can make your own form, and once you start any project, you just take that form, feed it with the data, and you start monitoring. In the meanwhile, you will see that you are opening your eyes, and in each and every day you can see the end of the project, the estimation to complete and the estimation at completion. Then you can tell and you can warn in advance for your project problems. Thank you for watching this episode. If you like it, don't forget hit subscribe and the bell down below to get notified with all the new released videos. See you in the next episode.